Hi, this is Anthony, the Dad Outnumbered, and today I got a chance to try out the SkyReat ND filters for the DJI Action 2 camera. These are magnetic filters that simply snap onto the top of the camera and put it in the mount and you're ready to go. We recently had some snow and I figured they would be the best time for me to try out these neutral density filters because of the harsh bouncing light off the snow in the sky. So take a look at the footage and let me know what you think. So what do you think? I thought the footage looked way better than it did out of the camera naturally. Do you use ND filters? What filters do you use? What brand? Let me know what you think in the comments. If you're interested in these filters, I'll leave the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Fly safe. Please like and subscribe.